Have you ever noticed how Facebook keeps paying content creators left and right? And you're sitting there like, okay, but how do I get a piece of that? You've probably seen all these people bragging about $500 payouts, $1,000 payouts. And you're like, but I post to Facebook too. So where's my check? Trust me, I've been there. And the truth is, Facebook will pay you, but not the way that you may be thinking. One thing for sure though, you don't need to buy ads. You don't even need a page. What you do need is a smart system that connects what you already post on Facebook to your affiliate income. So today I am going to show you exactly how to make $100 a day on Facebook with affiliate marketing. No ads, no business page, and no gimmicks. So grab your notebook and your pen because I am going to break this down like a friend who's finally spilling the tea. How about that? But let me make a disclaimer right here. This will require you to take action, and everyone may have a different result. It depends on the work that you put in. Now, let's dive right into it. Step 1. You don't need followers. You need strategy. Everyone's so focused on followers, subscribers, likes, and comments. Well, here's the truth. Followers don't pay your bills. Systems do. Affiliate marketing is about connecting people with products that they already want and use. And the best part, you don't have to sell anything. You just recommend a product or a tool to a friend or a follower. It could be your favorite travel bag, your go-to ring light, the AI tool that you use to do your videos, or that course that changed your content game. On Facebook, this works even better than on other platforms. Why? Because people trust people they already know. When you share something that genuinely helped you or others, that post can start making you passive income on Facebook, sometimes within 24 hours. Step 2, choose the right affiliate platform. Now, you can use Amazon Associates, Impact, Share a Sale, or even Creative Fabrica if you're in the digital space like I am. But if you're a beginner, I personally would definitely suggest that you start with Amazon Associates. Let me tell you what, it's faster, it's free, and it's easy to get approved. And everyone already shops on Amazon. So your audience doesn't need convincing to buy your product, the one that you're promoting. And most people know and trust Amazon. Once you sign up to the Amazon Associates program, you grab your affiliate link for products that make sense for your content, your niche, and your audience. If you talk about content creation, for example, grab links for tripods, microphones, planners, or digital products. If you're in the travel niche, link to carry-on bags, neck pillows, or packing cubes. The point is, make your affiliate links match the kind of content that you're already posting. Step 3, post like a human being, not a commercial. This is where most people mess up. They drop a random Amazon link in a post and expect people to click. That's not how it works. On Facebook, storytelling sells. You want to weave the product naturally into something that you actually post on a daily basis. Here's an example. Hey guys, I didn't realize how bad my lighting was until I got this $25 ring light from Amazon. It literally made my videos look so professional overnight. I can't believe I waited this long. See how that sounds? Then you drop your affiliate link right under that. Boom. No ad, no page, no hard selling. Just authentic recommendation that meets curiosity. Facebook's algorithm loves this style of posting because it sparks genuine engagement. People comment things like, which light did you buy? Or, I need that for my reels. And suddenly that post becomes an income stream generator for you. Step number 4, post your affiliate content strategically. Here's the game changer. Facebook's algorithm pushes your post more when people comment and share in the first 30 minutes of posting. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to schedule your post for the times when your audience is most active. Usually that is between 8 to 10 a.m., 12 to 1 p.m., or 7 to 9 p.m., depending on your audience and their location. And here's my little secret before posting your affiliate post. Make a quick warm-up post. Something funny, relatable, or engaging that gets comments. Then you wait for an hour, and then you're going to post your affiliate content. And that tells the algorithm, hey, this person's content is popping today. And it will push, the algorithm will push your next post higher in the feed. Step number 5, use your personal profile the smart way. A lot of people think that they need a business page to make money on Facebook. Nope, you don't. Your personal profile already has an audience. Even if it's a small audience, the trick is to turn your profile into a soft sales funnel. Make your bio say something like, helping creators make income outside of Google AdSense. Free workshop below. And then you put that emoji finger pointing below, downward. All right? Then what you do next is you drop the link to your offer right there below. When people click your profile after seeing your post, because they want to click to find out who you are, they see exactly what your offer is. That's free visibility and sales, all without running ads or paying for it. Step number 6, use Facebook groups. But please, don't spam or they will cut you off. Don't sleep on Facebook groups. There are groups for everything. Travel, health, content creators, affiliate marketing, and even women over 40 who make digital products. Join a few of those groups that match your niche, but don't pitch. No sales pitch. Instead, provide value, answer questions, share your small wins or a quick tip. And when it fits naturally, say something like, that's actually something I talk about inside my free workshop. I'll drop the link here if anyone wants it. No spam, no begging, just authority. You're not just posting links, you're positioning yourself as someone worth following or worth listening to. Step number 7, monetize engagement. This is where it gets fun. When people comment things like, what's the link? Or tell me more. Don't reply publicly with the link. Listen to this. You're going to reply with something like, I just sent it to your inbox. Then you're going to DM them the link. Why? Because Facebook's algorithm rewards DMs, in case you didn't know. It sees that as relationship building, and your next few posts will automatically get more reach just because of that one DM. That's how people make $100 a day, not by luck, but by understanding how Facebook's algorithm connects trust with traffic. And that's the difference, my friends. Step number 8, track your clicks and scale what works. All right, so Amazon and most affiliate programs, excuse me, will show you your click stats and other analytics. So look for patterns. Which post gets the most attention? What products did people buy? And double down on those. Change your image, tweak your story, or repost the same concept 2 weeks later. Affiliate marketing is about momentum, strategy, not miracles. Once you hit that first $10 a day, scaling to $100 becomes simple mathematics. Step number 9, keep it real. You don't need to pretend that you're making thousands. People connect with honesty. Say things like, hey guys, my first affiliate payout was only $24, but that was proof that it works. I am going to double down now. That's what you tell them. That's relatable. And that transparency builds massive trust. And if you're ready to stop guessing what works and what doesn't work and actually learn 15 different income streams like this, like what I'm sharing here, my 2-hour workshop will walk you through all of them step by step. It's for content creators like you who are tired of waiting on YouTube AdSense and ready to build multiple paydays. The link is right below this video in the description. Go grab it after you finish watching this video. You don't need to spend money to make money on anything, even on Facebook. You just need to post smarter, not louder. Affiliate marketing turns your everyday post into mini billboards. That's what I call it. And when you use them right, that $100 a day goal becomes totally realistic. So start today, post once, track it, tweak it, repeat it, and then tag me or comment below when you hit that first commission. I don't care if it's $100 or $10, because I promise that moment is going to change everything. And if you think this video was good, wait until you see my next video. It's titled How to Make Money on Facebook with Ladder Post, the secret nobody talks about. That's one video that you don't want to miss. It's going to blow your mind, because hardly anyone is teaching this strategy the right way. But you are about to find out. Thanks for watching, and go grab that product I mentioned in the description. Thanks for watching.